Hi. In this video, I have compiled useful and proven tips to save your relationship if you have been caught in the web of infidelity. Kindly subscribe and share this video. Trust is an essential element in any relationship. This lies at the heart of a strong relationship. But once that trust has been abused, it will be so difficult to rebuild it into the relationship again. This is because infidelity causes intense emotional pain, anger, disbelief, fear, guilt and shame. Let's say that you have a relationship for some time and you really love your partner. But you have been caught having an affair with your partner. No matter how he caught you, saw the messages from your mobile, heard you talking with the other or saw you together. And you have to deal with the situation if you really want to save your relationship. It is important to state here that getting your partner red-handed in the act doesn't have to mean the end of your relationship. Here are some 11 useful tips that may help you save your relationship. 1. End the illicit affair. First of all, you must end your affair if you choose to stay with your girlfriend. You must end all interaction and communications with the other. 2. Be honest. Open communication with your partner, it is very important. If she caught you in the act and she knows now that you have been unfaithful to her, you have told her already many lies, so now you must confess. Don't deny, because this will make things worse. 3. Apologize to her. Even if you like it with the other, show your girlfriend that you are sorry for the pain you caused her. And promise her that you finished your affair. Convince her that you really love her and you don't want to lose her for a mistake. 4. Talk to him, her. If your partner wants to know all the details, you've better tell him even if he will be hurt. And let him vent his hurt and anger. He will tell how he feels more than once, but you should understand him and listen. Remember that it is your fault that he feels like that. 5. Identify the issues. Identify often points to underlying problems in your relationship. Examine your relationship to understand what has contributed to the illicit affair. Some people cheat because they aren't getting their needs met inside their relationship. If she asks you why you did it, don't be brutal, say it the truth but in a diplomatic way. 6. Be accountable. If you had an affair, you must take responsibility for your actions. It's a good deal though. 7. Give him, her some space. You both need a break from the emotional stress. You would better discuss after she had calmed down. 8. Rebuild trust. Start with small opportunities to grow closer together. After infidelity, communication becomes incredibly strained. But if you don't communicate, you can never heal and build trust again in your relationship. 9. Determine your shared goal. Make sure that you both want to save your relationship. 10. Go to a relationship counselor to help you deal with your relationship problems. It might really help you to save your relationship by seeking professionals. Set ground rules. Decide both some rules for the future in your relationship so that both feel safe and secure. Sometimes after passing through a situation like this, the relationships become stronger than ever before. But if it happens that your partner doesn't want to forgive you for what you did and want to end the relationship, you've better respect her decision.